Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to reset Google Chrome background to default. So if you previously added a custom background in Google Chrome and want to go back to the default look, you can easily do this on the Google Chrome homepage. Just click on this pencil icon at top right corner of the screen. And now the first one is the default Google Chrome background, a solid black color. And once you select this, it automatically set as Google Chrome background. But if you want to use some other solid colors, you can also click on this plus icon and then select colors. Now you will get all the color options. If you don't want to use black color, you can select any other color from here. So that's it. After selecting, just click on the stick icon to save changes. It also changes accordingly when you disable dark mode. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.